Hey, what's going on, guys? So, for today, I am going to show you how to find Instagram password and username. So, this is going to be quick and easy. So, let's start. So, here I have Instagram already opened. Now, go to your profile by clicking on your profile photo on the lower right corner of your screen. So, here you can find your username on top of your picture. So, mine says Mark Damien. And to find your password is a little bit tricky. So from your profile, click on the three lines on the upper right corner, go to settings, and tap on password and security. Now here, tap on password and security and tap on saved login. So tap on Instagram and make sure that this toggle switch is turned on. So Instagram doesn't actually show you your password right off the bat, but with this one, it is a sure way that you will always be logged in even if you logged out from this device. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.